Have you ever tried growing Thai eggplants at home? Were they productive? If not, try my method. It's simple, affordable, and surprisingly effective. I'm sure you'll be amazed by the results you can achieve. Growing Thai eggplants at home isn't difficult, you just need to plant and care for them properly. With a little patience and love for gardening, you'll soon have lush, productive, and chemical-free eggplants for your family. Your like and subscribe make this little garden bloom. Thank you. I mix worm castings into the soil to make it looser, more fertile, and better at retaining moisture. This helps the roots grow stronger and allows the plant to absorb nutrients more efficiently. I use fabric grow bags to plant Thai eggplants. This method is convenient, space-saving, easy to move, and provides great drainage, allowing the roots to grow strong and healthy. To grow young eggplant seedlings, I chose mature and firm Thai eggplants, sliced them into thin pieces, and planted them directly in a fabric pot. This method helps the seeds inside the slices germinate easily, grow quickly, and produce strong, healthy seedlings for transplanting. Your one like keeps this tiny garden alive. Don't let it wither. After finishing the seed germination, I gently sprayed a little water on top to keep the soil moist, helping the seeds germinate faster and the seedlings grow better. Every subscribe is a drop of water for this little green world. Now the plant has rooted and is growing beautifully. To provide more nutrients, I crushed eggshells and sprinkled them around the base of the plant. This adds natural calcium and minerals, helping the plant grow stronger, develop sturdier stems, and produce better fruits. To keep the plant well moisturized, I continued watering it regularly. This helps maintain balanced soil moisture, allowing the roots to absorb water effectively and the plant to grow strong and healthy. One small comment from you can make this garden bloom brighter. At this stage, the plant is flowering and setting fruit, so it needs extra nutrients and protection from pests. That's why I mixed Coca-Cola with water and sprayed it on the plants. Coca-Cola provides sugars and trace minerals that can stimulate flowering, while its sweet scent can help repel certain small insects. It's amazing! In just 2 months, I've grown a trellis full of eggplants, lush, big, and fresh fruits that make me so happy and proud. All the care and effort truly paid off. If you like my planting method, give it a try. I'm sure you'll be amazed by the results. It's simple, effective, and gives you fresh, healthy vegetables right at home. Every comment, every subscribe is a small seed of hope. Thank you.